Hello everyone and welcome to season 2 episode 3 of Speechless Hairstyles. I hope you're all feeling blessed and keeping safe. So I promise y'all something special in this episode, and I hope that at the end of this video my promise will be fulfilled. As most of us are in quarantine right now because of the coronavirus outbreak and most cities are on lockdown, you might not have access to the products you will need to create this hairstyle. But for now that you're at home and staying indoors, you can start practicing with whatever you have, and hopefully very soon, when we've overcome this outbreak, y'all will be pros at braiding and many other things. So here's a look at the hair that I am using, and these are the pre-stretch expressions with lovely shaded highlights, and I hope that these colors will bring you hopes of a brighter future and a summer to look forward to. So with this hairstyle, I want to have 3 sections, all with a different color. So first, I want to section out the hair into 3 sections like this before I begin. As some of you might know, I love to point out the importance of having the right composition to achieve a balanced hairstyle, and my technique is to always section out the hair accordingly. So I will start at the back first, and I'm using the blue highlight on the section to the back, and then my plan is to do straight black on the middle section and the lovely red highlight at the front. So this box braid technique that I am showing you is one of my many ways of feeding in braids without a visible knot, which is otherwise known as knotless box braids. And I am very sorry if my narration isn't that good today, as I have been having symptoms of the coronavirus. I'm not feeling 100%. I am currently in isolation at home with my family, and they're all infected too. So it's a harsh reality for us at the moment. But since I've already recorded the video a few weeks ago, and I made a promise to release it this month, I wanted to keep good on my promise. Especially now that most of you are at home with the family and y'all have to practice doing your own hairdressing and cooking, etc. for the meantime. Also, I know this is a hair channel and I want it to be just that, but as of next week, I will be posting some home remedies that can help you fight the coronavirus, and I will also be posting some tutorials of how to make some of my Jamaican style dishes, which helped me and my household to boost our immune system and fought off the virus. I mean, a lot of us right now is doing things that we don't usually do, but we're all taking measures to help fight the coronavirus so that things can resurface back to some kind of normal very soon. So we all just have to put aside all the things that we usually do and find ways to help each other to beat this virus. So as of next week, I'll be posting some food tutorials, and I hope that you guys will take the necessary precautions and measures to help yourself and your surroundings so that we can beat this coronavirus. So guys, please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay indoors as much as possible, and when you do go outside, make sure that you cover up, because it does make a difference wearing a mask. You know, it does prevent you from touching your face, I suppose. So I don't know how things are gonna go next month, you know, for episode 4, because I am not recording anything right now. I'm not doing any hair right now. You know, as I said to you guys, you know, I've been battling the virus myself. and we've been keeping our social distance, so I won't be recording anything new, but I do have some videos on my computer of some hair and some things about hair that I would like to show you guys. So and I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but we just have to keep trying and stay positive, and I pray that God give you all the strength to go through this. So now I'm on the middle section, and I'm just using straight black in this section, and I'm following the same technique as before to feed in the hair bit by bit to make my knots invisible. I know my voice sounds away right now, but as long as you can hear me, it's all good. So with this coronavirus, it affects everyone differently. My main symptoms are body aches and weakness in my joints, headaches, and my temperature is normal, but the worst one was my dry cough. But after boiling together some orange peel, lemon peels, onions and ginger, and then inhaling the steam through my mouth for up to 20 minutes at a time for about 3 times a day, my cough disappeared after 2 days. So today is my 4th day since I have been having symptoms of the coronavirus, and I've been feeling a lot of improvement in my body. I haven't been tested as yet because I weren't allowed to go to the hospital unless my symptoms become critical, and that hasn't been the case, so thank God. So for me, some home remedies and some exercise did wonders for my body, and that's how I found the strength to voice over this video for you guys today. And I pray for all those who are being affected really bad by this outbreak, and I pray that God gives you all the strength to pull through. So I am at the top, and I'm using this beautiful red highlight on this section at the top. So again, same technique to feed in braid. So for those of you who are at home with the kids, I will leave some links below of some hairstyles that you can start practicing on your kids' hair now that you might have some extra time on your hands. So now we've come to a finishing, and the first thing my sister said to me was that she looked like a yardie. Oh my gosh, my girl was like, "Oh no, I look like a yardie, Tasha. No, you're taking the piss. I look like a proper yardie, you know." So that was her first response, but other than that, she loves it, completely loves it, and can't wait for the summer to do more styles like this. God bless her, and God bless all of you. Continue to stay safe and do what you think is right for you and your loved ones. So guys, as I said before, as of next week, I will be posting some home remedies that I use to fight the coronavirus. My entire household uses this remedy. And also I'm gonna be posting my Jamaican food recipes that I use to make porridges, that I used to make soup, because alongside the remedies that I cook up to help me fight the virus, what kept my strength going was my Jamaican cornmeal porridge and my proper Jamaican chicken soup. So I would like to share that with you guys as of next week. So guys, just take care of yourself and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. Take care guys, bye bye.